last time you got a reward just for showing up? When did you get a prize for something you do every day? Now you can with Checkpoints. Checkpoints is a mobile app that lets you earn cool prizes like gift cards, airline miles, and gadgets just for checking out your favorite products and places. Each time you check in, you get points towards rewards called Checkpoints. Say you're going shopping. You grab your phone and fire up Checkpoints. Checkpoint shows you how many points are available nearby. You check in at the grocery store, 20 points. Then you can see how many additional points are available at your location. In places where you shop, Checkpoints tells you which products you can check out in every aisle, so you can scout out maximum points. Earning points is easy. Just pick up a package, aim your phone's camera at the barcode, and you're done. Every time you scan a product, you have a chance to win extra points or special promotions. It's like having two shopping baskets. One for all your purchases, the other for all the points you're earning. And you earn points for more than just checking in and checking out products. Share tips, or get rewarded for introducing your friends to Checkpoints. Link your Facebook or Twitter account and share your favorite things, so your friends can get in on the action. As you rack up points, redeem them right from your phone for great prizes like dinner at your favorite restaurant, nifty gadgets, even airline miles or hotel stays. With so many great rewards, what will you choose? Checkpoints. It's the app that pays you back. Download Checkpoints at checkpoints.com or your phone's app store.
Also, get paid to watch videos.